Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Microsoft Surface Go 3 for AT&T. So this is a new tablet laptop hybrid for AT&T. It's available now in Platinum. You guys have two options to pay for it, monthly or full retail price. So it's $20.28 a month, or it's $729.99 for the device here. And it comes in 128 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah, so this is like your light use tablet here. You will be able to do a game on here as well, somewhat game, but keep in mind that the storage is a bit low for that. So this is like your light use tablet. So this is not really for like a powerhouse, you know what I'm saying? So do keep that in mind. So there is the device right there. It runs Windows 11 on board. So the latest and greatest from Microsoft. So you guys have the touchscreen there. You do got a micro SD card slot, your couple ports here, a headphone jack and whatnot. The volume keys is somewhere on here, and you do got your stand there. And there it is. Almost completely flat, so you can have it almost completely flat, so it's very nice. And it only shows us 2 pictures of the device. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. So like I said, $20.28 a month for about 36 months, I think. 0% APR, or $729.99 for retail price for AT&T here. So if you guys want to get more information about their Surface Go 3, I will have a link to Microsoft's website, and that will give you guys more information about the specs and features on the device. So check that out. That will be the second link. If you guys want to purchase this from AT&T itself, the first link will be the first link will take you to this page, and you can buy it if you guys are interested. Alright. So yeah. So it says connect your Microsoft Surface Go 3 to AT&T and feel the difference practically anywhere with a 10.5-inch touchscreen display, improved battery life, rapid connection speed, and easily configured security settings. Anyone in the family can seize the power of this connected laptop. So you can get the Surface Go 3 for AT&T and pair it with an AT&T data plan. So this is an always connected PC, so that is very nice. So you'll be connected to the AT&T 4G LTE network. So that's a win. Photos and images, it only shows us this here, and I don't know why it only shows something else. It just shows us the 2 images that we saw earlier in the video. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. If you guys want to get like more in depth on the Surface Go 3, like I said, the second link will take you to Microsoft's website, so check that out. Alright. Features and specs. Says here speed through homework, browsing, and more with the Intel Core i3 processor, 3500 mAh battery, lets you confidently work, stream, shop, and browse free from cords. Read less and share more securely with built-in antivirus and malware defense. It has Windows Defender on there, which I think is pretty good. So that's a win. So you guys need security if you guys want to use it for like work and school and stuff. So Windows Defender is completely free and it's pre-installed on the device, so use that. Alright. Combine laptop and tablet for work and play with the flexible 2-in-1 touchscreen design. So that's very nice. Your dimensions on the Surface Go 3 are 9.65 inches height, 6.9 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Surface Go 3 weighs 16.2 ounces, so a bit hefty, but not too bad, you know what I'm saying? So this is like your lightweight tablet, you know what I'm saying, kind of, Display 10.5 inches. It is all touchscreen display, 1920 by 1280 pixel resolution, so basically a full HD display, 16 main colors. You do get 2 cameras on here, great for like Microsoft Teams and Zoom and stuff like that. So this would be great for work and school. So You do have cameras on here, so you get 8 megapixel rear facing camera, video capture 1080p at 30 frames per second, video playback 1080p HD. Front facing camera is a 5 megapixel front facing camera. So that's really good for like Zoom and Microsoft Teams and stuff like that. Your battery is a 3500 mAh battery. It obviously doesn't remove, of course. Usage time 10.3 hours. Standby time 14 days. Audio playback time 10.3 hours on typical device usage. The processor is an Intel Core i3 processor, which is quad core at 3.6 gigahertz. So this is the higher end of the Surface Go 3. The lower end version has a dual core processor. This one has quad core, so do keep it in mind. So when you're getting it from AT&T, you are getting the quad core version, so it's very nice. Memory, 128 gigabytes of memory. So this is like your lightweight, light usage tablet, laptop hybrid here. So if you guys are going to game, you can game on here, but don't expect to put a whole lot of games on here. If you guys want to play Fortnite, you can do that and stuff like that. But if you guys want to play GTA 5 and stuff like that, you guys might not be able to do, because it will eat up most of your memory. I'm sure that GTA 5 can run on these specs just fine, but the memory will be an issue for GTA 5 on this 2-in-1 hybrid. So do keep that in mind, but you can try to put GTA 5 on there and to see if it works. You can go ahead and do it, but like I said, it will take up most of your space. The specs is not really an issue for GTA 5. It's just the memory is an issue for GTA 5 on this particular device here. You do get external storage up to 2 terabyte. The memory format is micro SD XC, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Operating system, of course, it's Windows 11, latest and greatest from Microsoft. Wireless technology, you do get 4G on here, no 5G. So you do get bands, all the bands right there. There's a GSM, GPRS, and Edge and whatnot. Wi-Fi connectivity, you do have that option just in case you ever need it. It is Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, low energy, mobile hotspot up to 8 devices. If you guys need to connect that laptop, gaming system or whatever to the Surface Go 3, you can do that up to 8 devices. So your Surface Go 3 can be used as a hotspot device, so that's very nice. It takes a nano SIM card. Your sensors on the Surface Go 3 include the accelerometer, ambient light, gyroscope, heart rate sensor, so that's pretty interesting. Messaging and email, music, external music play controls, volume up, down, physical keys, product codes and whatnot. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, Surface charger, SurfLink USB connector. So that's what you get in the box. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a 2-in-1 hybrid for school and work, the Surface Go 3, it could be one for you to check out at AT&T. It's available now for $20.28 a month for 36 months, I believe, or it's $729.99 for retail price. So if you guys travel a lot for work, this would be a great device for you to have while you're traveling for work and stuff. So you can do your email in your Microsoft Teams or whatever. This would be a great work tablet, laptop, great school tablet or work tablet, laptop. So yeah, and you can game on here as well. Like I said, you can play Fortnite just fine on here. But GTA 5, it will take most of your memory if you guys try to play GTA 5 on here. So I would not recommend GTA 5 on here, even though the specs for GTA 5 should support it. So yeah, so there you guys have it, the Microsoft Surface Go 3 now available at AT&T. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.